and this is my very own WordPress blog. I just recently created it with a free hosting account. So what did I do? I'm going to teach it to you. First, I bought a domain here at hostingdo.com, and then I connected it with a free hosting account, which is ByteX. So I registered here, and then I clicked on add on domain. So you're going to type on your domain here and then click on add on domain. This is what you're going to get. Then take note of name servers. So you're going to put this name servers on your hosting dude account. You just click on domain manager. So here's the domain manager. When you click it on, then put a check mark on your site. Then click on name servers. Then remember the name servers that I told you. You copy and paste them here. So once that's done, you successfully connected your hosting account with your domain name. So now what you're going to do next is you go to cPanel, and then you click on Online File Manager. This is what's going to come up. So you're going to have the Virtual Assistant blog folder. Then you go to htdocs. This is where you're going to upload your WordPress. So the next thing you're going to do is you download a WordPress file on wordpress.org. It's for free. And then you put them on your computer and you click on upload. So you browse where you have downloaded it and then put a check mark. Click on the check mark. And so once you have it, it's gonna look like this. You put a check mark and click on unzip. So these are all the unzipped files. What you need to focus on would be wp-config.php. Actually, its name is different when it's unzipped. Its file name, original file name is wp-config-sample.php. So what you need to do is you need to rename it to wp-config.php. So how are you going to do that? You just click here and then here, rename. So once you have renamed it, you need to open that file and click on edit. You need to put on some important information on wp-config, which would be database name, database username, database password, and database host. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to create a database. So you go to database management on your cPanel, then click on MySQL databases, and then you create a database name. Click on create database. As for me, this was the name that I created, April blog, but you're going to need to copy for the database name. So now you have your database name. Next would be your database username, which you have here, MySQL username. Next would be the database password. The password would be the same with the password that you have for your ByteX account, which is given, or you can reset it. But whatever the password for your ByteX account is, that is your database password. And for your database host, this one, database host. Okay, so once you have successfully placed that on your wp-config, you can save that. And then it's time to install our WordPress. Okay, so how are we going to do that? We just need to click on your domain. As for me, virtual assistant blog. Then type in wp-admin and then install. Once you click on enter, you're gonna see WordPress installed on your domain name. So you're gonna see where you're going to create a username or password, and then you just take a note of it. And once you get that, you can now log in to your WordPress and then create your very own post and your website. So I hope that you can make your own, and good luck and congratulations.